Hello everyone, myself Srivalya Dear from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, pursuing in first sem CSC, studying in Charvard section. Today's the major topic in mathematics is solutions of algebraic equations. Introduction to solving algebraic equations. Algebraic equations involve mathematical expressions with variables. Solving equations means finding the value of the variable that satisfy the equation. Equations can have one solution, no solutions, or infinitely many solutions. Evaluating the algebraic expressions. To evaluate an algebraic expression, replace each variable with its given value and then perform the operations. Be sure to follow the order of operation. Here is how to evaluate the following expressions. The basic principles of solving equations. To solve an equation, perform the same operation on both sides to maintain equality. The goal is to isolate the variable on one side of the equation. Remember to perform the inverse operations to undo an additions, subtractions, multiplications or divisions. Here we can solve the problem with 2x plus 3 by 6 of 6 is equal to 3x plus 1 by 6 of 6. Here 2x plus 3 minus 1 is equal to 3x plus 1 minus 1. Hence 2x plus 2 minus 2x is equal to 3x minus 2x. Hence the x is equal to 2. Solving the linear equations. Linear equations are the equations which were in the form of ax plus b is equal to c, where a comma b and c are constants. To solve a linear equation, isolate a variable x by performing the inverse operations. The solution to a linear equation is a single value for the variable x. Solving the linear equations. 5x plus 2 is equal to 22. Here, how the process to solve the linear equation. Solving the quadratic equations. Quadratic equations are the equations which are in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b and c are the constants. Quadratic equations can be solved by using the factoring the quadratic formula or completing the square. Quadratic equations can have two real solutions, one real solution or two complex solutions. Here is the example: x square plus 3x minus 4 is equal to 0, where a equals to 1, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to minus 4. Here we have to apply the formula minus b plus or minus of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Hence the answer will come x is equal to minus 4 or x is equal to 1. Solving the exponential equations. Exponential equations involve the variables in the exponent. To solve the exponential equations, use the algorithms, logarithms, or the properties of the exponents. Exponential equations can have one or more solutions. Here you can see the exponential equation like 3 of x plus 2 is equal to 9 of 2 into minus 3. Hence the e power x is equal to 7 and 2 square is equal to 2 into 2 power 3 x is equal to 16. The next topic is the solving the polynomial equations. Polynomial equations involve the terms with the multiple variables rise to different powers. To solve the polynomial equations, factor use the rational truth theorem or apply the synthetic division. The solutions to polynomial equations can be real or it's complex. How to factor polynomials? Binomial, it can be trinomial or it can be cubic. Which means binomial means 2 terms, trinomial means 3 terms, cubic means 4 terms. Solving the systems of equations. System of equations involve the multiple equations with multiple variables. System of equations can be solved by using the substitution, elimination or matrices. The solutions to the system of equations are the values that satisfy all the equality equations simultaneously. Here is the example for system of equation. 2x plus 5y is equal to 19, x minus 2y is equal to minus 4. Hence y is equal to 5 minus 2x. 4x plus 3y is equal to 13. 4x plus 2y is equal to 14. 3x minus 5 is equal to minus 22. Hence y is equal to 3x plus 2 and y is equal to 7x plus 6. Solving inequalities. Inequalities involve the mathematical expression where the relationship between the two sides is not equal. To solve inequalities, treat them like equations but remember to reverse the inequality sign when multiplying or dividing by a negative number. The solutions to inequalities are often represented on a number line. Application of solving equations. Solving equations is essential in various fields such as physics, engineering, finance, and computer science. Equations help in modeling real-world problems and making predictions. Understanding how to solve the equation is a fundamental in problem solving and critical thinking. Conclusion. The solving the algebraic equation is a fundamental skill in mathematics. There are various methods for solving a different types of equations, but practicing the solving equations helps to develop the problem solving skills and algebraic reasoning. Hence, you should solve the basic equations like 3x is equal to 24 and x by 4 is equal to 20. Hence, by solving the equation, you can get 8 by x is equal to 4. Hence, we can solve the basic equation by using that 3x plus 2 is equal to 14. Thank you for watching my video.